What's up? How's Bodhi? Okay?
Cooking with Kylo.
Cooking color.
Okay, wait. Like this.
They're too big for me. Anyway. Come. Make Oreo cake. Oreo.
Milk.
That's it. Cut.
I'm not sliding this.
Two tip.
Put Oreo in cup. 1, 2, 3. Got 3. Put 3 in that one, please.
1,
Okay.
2,
Okay. Yes, well done. And then we pour in some milk.
my hand.
Yeah?
My hand.
Okay, we'll clean it now.
I can eat it.
Yes, you can eat it. Yeah. So pour milk.
Oh, pour more.
Just pour. Okay, enough. Another. Okay. And now we need to crush it. Here's your fork. Crush. Just keep crushing.
And mix.
Yeah, mix, crush, mix. I think we put too much milk. We might have to stick more Oreo. Keep crushing your own one. Crushing, mix. Rather crush the Oreos first and then put in milk.
Milk.
Yeah.
Like that.
Put too much milk, so we had to use a lot more Oreos.
Milk.
Go. Now you're eating the food again. Huh, Kylo? You're eating the food again. So it looks a bit of like a batter type thing. More. Like he said earlier, I suggest you crush the Oreos and then put milk. I made a mistake by putting too much milk. So I chucked in much more Oreos. You just need to make it like obviously a thicky doughy feel. Anyhow, it's done now. So that's how it looks.
How it looks.
We're gonna put in microwave.
My mouth.
Okay.
2 minutes.
See how it goes. Nice.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Be careful, eh? Gonna see now, Kylo. That's what it looks like. Oh wow! Feel that. Feel it. So that's how it looks like. Proper cake. Electric blow. Blow first. Try. Okay, we wait for it to cool. Blow, blow, blow. You're licking off the plate. You like that. Milk and Oreos. That's how it should be eaten. Okay, put down. Okay, let's try. Nice. Look in the camera and say, very nice.
Nice, huh?
And that's how you
Make
make Oreo
cake.
with milk.
Oh,
2 ingredients, easy.
easy. We make cheese.
Say, I'll see you next time.
And next time.
Bye.
Bye.